it was actually an unpackaging. So I took everything out of the package. It was just some of those USPS packages. And this is from Krystal Bath. This is my very first order. I don't know why, because I've always liked the products I've seen. Maybe because they were having a sale. I don't know. Maybe did I get a sale code? I don't know. I usually wait till things are on sale or I can get a discount code. So I don't know. I don't know if it was on sale or not because the invoice doesn't say. So maybe I just wanted it. Who knows? All right, so let's see what we have here. Oh, God. This makes me upset. First thing that I take out of here is broken. And it really would have made a very adorable demo. Like, that's what I wanted it for my YouTube channel. This is a beautiful little turkey, however, and as you can see, it's all cracked up in the neck area from the back. I'm sure it happened in shipping, and it's kind of a precarious location to have like a small piece in the neck area. So I guess things happen, but I am pretty bummed. So it's the first thing that I have on. Anyway, it's adorable though. I will try to hold it together as I put it in the water because I really want to demo this one. The second one, oh wow, the second one that I have is their Spooky's cousin. Is that what it's called? Spookly's cousin. It is a pumpkin. I don't even know what I'm losing my train of thought. The reason I'm losing my train of thought is because look at this on the side. Got like a tricolor there. That's awesome. And it's a very beautiful bath bomb, honestly. It really is. And it's bigger than I thought it would be. So is this one because the prices on these were super low. So the turkey was just $5. And this one was $4.50. All right, so what else do I have here? I have another little package. Yes, yes, yes. Please do not be broken. Don't be broken. All right. They don't appear to be. Look at this. It's Gramps. You know him from the Munsters. How cute is this guy? Am I covering him up? Let me just hold it this way. And he smells awesome. I can't wait to use this guy. His lashes are on fleek. Look at them lashes. Look, look. All right. I haven't said on fleek probably my whole life other than making fun of on fleek. And then this one is called, where's my invoice because I can't read it. Slappy? Slappy. The flash has got my eyes all tore up because this is my second unboxing in a row. And I wanted him so bad too because he's super cute. And all of these are super shimmery. I'm not sure if you can see the shimmer, but there's shimmer all throughout. And I have one little small item on here, which I believe is a sample. This is Sugar Plum Whip Soap. Sugar Plum. Yes, I love Sugar Plum. Oh my gosh. Looks super thick, super creamy, and I can't wait to try it. A lot of times when I get samples, I give them to Layla, my granddaughter, because I have a lot of soaps already, regular size, so she usually takes those and she uses them to take her baths or sometimes just as her own personal hand wash stash. She's not getting this one because it's Sugar Plum. All right, so that is it from my first order from Krystal Bath. What did we have? We had this Spookly's cousin, which I'm super impressed with the tri-colored level here deal going on. We have my sadly broken, like seriously super crumbled. I don't even think it's going to be able to be held together because as you can see, there's all kinds of crumbs in there. This is the turkey bath bomb. You know, I can't read again. Too much flash in my face. I need to get me one of those ring lights. You know you want me. I do, but I didn't want you broken though. That's what I didn't want. But he's super cute, and I'm going to demo him anyway. Any old way. Just because the bath bomb is broken doesn't mean that it doesn't work. Sad. Gramps. Another one that's going to get an awesome demo. I already have some thoughts on this one. But look at them daggone. I'm sure it's his eyebrows, but it looks like his eyelashes. Little part, y'all. The little part in the middle. And then we had Slappy. Super shimmery. And then we had the Sugar Plum Whip Soap, which is just super creamy looking, and I cannot wait to try it. So that is all that I had from Krystal Bath, and I thank you very much for my very first order, and I can't wait to try this product. I'll talk to you guys on the very next unboxing, demo, whatever it is. Talk to you later. Bye.